In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Google Sheets cells fit text perfectly. Whether you're managing a large data set or just organizing personal information, making sure your text is fully visible can greatly improve readability and presentation. Let's get started. First, open Google Sheets by heading to the Google Workspace site. If you're not signed in, click Sign In. Enter your credentials and you'll be taken to your Google Drive. From here, open the spreadsheet you want to work on. Now, look at the column that contains text that's being cut off. Click on the column header to select it. Move your cursor up to the top menu and find the small drop-down menu. Click it and choose Resize Column. A dialog box will pop up. Here you can either enter a number for the column width manually or select Fit to Data. Let's choose Fit to Data. This will automatically adjust the column width so your text fits perfectly. Click OK and you will see the column instantly resized to show the full text. If you'd rather wrap text instead of making the column wider, click on the specific cell you want to format. Then go to the toolbar, click the text wrapping icon and select Wrap. This keeps the column the same width but adjusts the row height so all the text is visible within the cell. And that's it. Now your spreadsheet is neat, organized and easy to read with all your text visible at a glance. Thanks for watching.